Nothing like coming home to new parts. Alright, so I already ordered a main hoop before, but it was the wrong size. Kind of guessed on it. This one looks a lot closer to the size I need. I'm about to put it up in there and see if it works. Alright, looks like it's fab time. I finally got the main hoop in. Looks like it's actually the right size, so I'm gonna get it up in there and see where I can cut off the bottom so I can put it up onto this cross beam right here. And I'm gonna get it all fabbed up. I'm just tacking it for now because I don't have my halo and my down bars and all that yet, so I'm gonna get it in there and make it look right. Alright, so I gotta get all this looking like it's pretty much even all the way around. Then I'm gonna measure, and then I'm gonna mark the bottom bar over here to see about where it needs to be, and then I'm gonna see how far in this actually needs to go, because this bar isn't gonna stay that far back probably. I'm gonna get in it in just a second and like sit where the seat would be and actually get where it needs to be, like how far back it needs to lean, and get it all ready to cut and tack and all that. So I'll probably just tack it up, and then whenever I get my halo, I'll tack that to the main hoop, and then after I tack my halo, I can drop the whole thing down and weld it all solid. But a little progress. Finally got some parts in. They were on back order forever. Safety first. And they're like swimwear. Here it is. Main hoop is tacked in. And actually I like exactly how much tolerance there is. Gives me enough room to run the door bars down. I'm gonna run them out like a diagonal down into here. And then whenever the down bars come down from the halo, it'll come right down into here. So it's coming along, looking good. I like it a lot. Like I said, it's just rough tacked. In fact, my welder was like messing up on me, so I barely tacked it. Just strong enough for it to hold so I can put the halo in whenever I get it. Alright, so as you can see, I got the main hoop in there tacked up. I didn't spend a lot of time like explaining what I was doing in the video, but I measured it from side to side, front to back, the degree of angle it was going to be laying back and all that. It's just rough tacked in just so I can get the halo and all that tacked in, and then I'm going to have to drop the whole assembly back down so I can weld everything solid. And it's getting a lot closer. I'm getting really pumped. So I hope y'all liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm ready to set this thing off. I'm excited. So thank y'all again for watching. Nitemare out.